In today's video, I'm going to explain to you what Zapier is. So, put things short, Zapier is basically an automation tool that allows you to connect different apps and tools together and automate processes. So, the way that it works is you create a Zap, and from creating a Zap, it's going to give you the option to pick a trigger. They have over 5,800 different apps you can connect. So, let's say you want your trigger to be Discord, and a trigger is basically what triggers this to set off. So, Discord event. These are the events that will set a trigger off. So, new message posted to channel. So basically, when a new message is posted to channel, this Zap, this automation will go off. So, continue. It'll get you to sign, make your account, all of that stuff. General. Now it's going to get me to test it just to make sure there's a message in there. Cool. So basically, Discord, account, trigger, which is the channel, and test. So it's found a message in that channel. So now, basically, the trigger is a message in that channel. So now we go to the action. When someone posts a message in that Discord channel, what do you want to happen? So you can say Google Docs. So when someone posts a message in that channel, we can append text document. Click that. Continue. Document name. Say that one. And now text to append. So you can go down, and these are the different things from Discord. So this is the name of the person, this is the content of the message, the timestamp, embeds, attachments, ID, all of these different things. So let's say content. So content basically means what they've typed. If I hit continue and test action, what that's going to do is every time someone puts a message in this channel in Discord, it's going to go onto this file, onto this Google Docs file, and it's going to add the content of that message to the file. So this is really useful for, well, this case is not very useful, but like if you set this up properly for real use cases, it's very useful. So say, I don't know, you get a new lead on Facebook ads, you can set it up so that they put that lead into a database, or you send them a cold email. Whatever you want to do, you can set it up. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that you found it useful. Thanks for watching.